And let's open and start with this Nasdaq chart. You can see it's in the buy range. We got buy signal here yesterday, Wednesday around 4 p.m. after 4 p.m. actually. And since then it's just going higher. I do have a cross here. That means time to take profit here. This chart is working very nicely on MNQ. You can see very nicely predicting buy and sell. This is a range chart, very nice. This was one off, but so far working good. All right, and then I want to see if I change. Okay, I'll do this offline. Okay, so let's review the levels for this morning. Let me go here. This is our famous chart which we work with. Let's go to MES first, and this is S&P 500, just bouncing from buy zone and now going towards sell zone. 49.22 and up is a sell zone, and buy zone is 48.82 and below. This is only for today, okay? Red lines are the resistance or sell zones or short time to short here, and green lines are the buy zones or support zones, okay, or to cover the short. MNQ just touching sell zone as we are talking, 17,720, very close. So you can see it's pumping and trying to just touch sell zone right now here. Buy zone is 17,520 and below. Neutral zone is 17,620. Dow Jones just bouncing, just in the middle right now in the neutral zone. And yeah, just came from the buy zone, just bouncing. And Russell 2000 small caps, massive pump. Came to buy zone and then going to sell zone. Last time it was in sell zone. Came to buy zone. Easy trades here, just bouncing back and forth. Right now it's selling, massive pump. But that should fail and we should go back to buy zone at some point. Tesla got smashed really bad after earnings, really bad earnings, really bad earnings call. I heard, unbelievable. Look, gonna go up, go down with a massive gap down, 8.4% down. Really bad for Tesla investors. But hope is all these yellow lines to the top, they will be filled at some point. All right. So if you believe in Tesla long term, this is a good time to buy. Crude oil is in the sell zone. Gold now bouncing from the buy zone. I think something happened around 8:30. Some news came, so just down and then just now straight up, so going to the moon. Silver also going towards sell zone. Dollar DXY. Uh, if dollar comes down, yesterday it was in the buy zone, you can see, and then it pumped towards the end of the day. And I told you that that might not be good for the stock market, and that's what happened. Dollar pumped and stock market went down, gold and Bitcoin went down. Now dollar is coming down, so dollar could come to the buy zone. That means stock market, Bitcoin, and gold can go higher. Natural gas from the sell zone now going to neutral zone can go back to buy zone around 2.22 and below. Bitcoin in the neutral zone right now. All right, right now just staying in the neutral zone. If it comes down below 13,454, look to buy. Hang Seng Index China is already in the sell zone as well. What else is here? Uh, let's see BTC. There's some gaps: 39,380, 39,325. So they will be filled at some point. Ethereum. Uh, there's also a gap around 2484 that will be filled at one point as well. Commodities, copper in the sell zone, soya beans in the neutral zone, sugar in the sell zone, wheat in the sell zone, short term, this is only for today, corn also in the sell zone. All these are looking like in the sell zone. Short term, gold miners are pumping, gap up. Yesterday was 1.88% down and now it's gapping up 1.6%. So if you held this trade, take profits as soon as you can. Other than that, I think everything is up pre-market. Nothing interesting here. BA, Boeing is down again for some reason. What's the issue? Lower, I don't know what happened. Buys out Malaysia, JV. Some news keeping Boeing down. And let's see what else is pre-market down. LC, Lucid is down. I think all EVs are down because of Tesla. NIO is down. Rivian is down. XPV. What else is here? Let's quickly scan CVS. Oh, healthcare stocks are down. Why CVS is down so much? UNH is down 4%. What happened? UNH is down. Why? Humana post dismal 25 profit forecast. Okay, so UNH is also down. Humana is Humana. Let's quickly check Humana. Humana Inc. down 11%. Wow. So it's down here. It was already down and again another pump down. UNH. Okay, so UNH is coming to the buy zone. Looks like a straight pump up. So that's good. So UNH might be coming in the buy zone here. So it's here around 477. Okay. And if you buy around this area to higher, almost 10%, 12% profits here. Okay. So yeah, so keep this in mind. Actually, I'm gonna move UNH up. J, CVS, BFE. I'm gonna move UNH higher. UNH is one of the biggest healthcare stock. It's not gonna be easy to keep it down for long. So I think as a long-term investor, I really like UNH to buy. What else is here? See, when we scan something, you find some good deals, right? What else is here? I don't see anything else interesting. All right. So you already got the levels. Looks like it's just going straight up. S&P 500, uh, Nasdaq 100. All these have buy zones. Tesla daily chart now looks like you see this ramp up higher. So now they're going with a gap down. Let me mark this gap with 1 hour chart. Let me hide this trading session. So now there's going to be another gap here. All these gaps will be filled one day, guys. All right. I just don't know when. Maybe this year. See all these gaps. All right. Now looks like it's going with a new low, and we can add like a oscillator indicator here. Here you go. So it's very oversold. Okay. Red line means it's gonna be another red line here. And I think it could come all the way down to 160s, okay? Because this straight up, I think they will keep selling it down. Today will be interesting. I don't know if dip buyers will come and buy because, yeah, I don't know. Let's see. And then we should get a bounce and then it should come down again. But it's gonna be interesting session. It's already down 8.5%. I don't know how much more they're gonna sell. That's a big down. But yeah, 160 is also possible. As a long-term investor, I think this is a great time to buy because look at even at the top here, there's a big zone here, and also it's in a bear market. Like if I go to weekly chart, if you draw a trend line here, something like this. All right, Tesla really needs to break this trend line. Something like this. You can draw it in multiple ways. Actually, yeah, this one is perfect. See? So until this trend line breaks, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. All right. Um, we'll see. Similar thing happened here. I checked one other instance here. Oh, sorry. On a daily chart, I have to go show you daily here. Here, okay. You see here, massive drop, lower high, lower high, lower high, and then again it went lower than this. Okay, that's what's happening here. So if we take a percentage, then this previous low, it went almost 5% lower than this low, okay? And then it bounced after that. So, and then when it was bouncing, I was seeing divergence, okay? This is what I want to see. I want to see lower highs and divergence. That means a bounce is coming. So right now, we are seeing if this is a low. If we has to do something similar, 5% down from here is around 185, okay? So 185, but then bounce and like I want to see some divergence. I haven't seen that. So it looks like there's going to be some bounces coming soon. All right, let's see if anybody have anything. Yeah, Tesla got worse. Well, yes. Looks like earnings were bad, so it is what it is. There's always both scenarios, ups and downs. That's okay. All right, guys. Bye.